Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Chelsea and I'm gonna do a plan with me in my Hobonichi cousin. And I'm gonna use some of the items from our June sticker subscription. So I did this monthly spread in my B6 planner from the Angel Shop. So I use this just for tracking social media posts. But anyway, it came out so cute and I had some people ask to see how I would lay out these stickers in a Hobonichi cousin. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I'm probably gonna do a different layout for the deco. Like I won't be doing this, but I am gonna use the Treasure Trove stickers. So let me zoom in. And I'm just gonna start with the weekday stickers. I'm used to a Sunday start for monthlies. So leaving this as a Monday feels a little bit funny, but I'm just gonna do it how the planner is set up already. And then I'm gonna put all my numbers down. I love these little skulls. This is so cute. Alright, so as I'm editing this, I realized that I forgot to mention that our signups for the sub have closed. So if you missed out on that and you would like to try to score some of these stickers that I'm using in this video, definitely tune in with us next month because we'll be listing any extras that we have left over. Okay, so now I'm done putting the numbers down and I just think that's so cute. I was thinking of putting the purple washi down at the bottom. And I'm just gonna cut this with my blade. I think I'm gonna use a piece of this washi to cover up this block. So I'm just eyeballing this. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit. Cool. And then I think I wanna use this sticker here so I can label the month with this. This is so cute. Okay, so here's the die cuts, and I used this in my other spread, so I might use a different one on this. I'm just thinking I could put something here because these 2 days are part of the next month. I love Star. I think she's so cute with the map and her little eye patch, but she's gonna be covering up the 26th. So I might have to save that for something else. Okay. I'm gonna write in June with my color dot markers. Okay, I don't hate it, but in my mind it was cuter. So I'm just gonna outline these letters and maybe I'll like it a little bit better. Okay, that looks all right. We do have lots of month stickers in the shop. Like I could have used one of these, but I don't know. I just wanted to do something different. So I think that's kind of fun. Okay, so I think I'm gonna grab this sticker right here. This is on one of our monthly journal sticker sheets. And I just like it because it's got that same shade of pink and it says this month. So I'm gonna start building my sidebar over here, and I think this will be perfect to put at the top. And then I was thinking I could just put a couple diamonds around that and just make it cute. I really love how I did this little quote. I just think that's cute. So I'm gonna see about doing something similar over here. But I might use popsicle instead of the parrot. I just gotta make sure that I'm gonna place it where it's not covering up the skulls. So maybe like that. And then this could just be like a little inspirational quote or something. I don't know. Just something for the month of June to remember. Okay, and then below that, I'm gonna see if this will fit. I just like this little box sticker. And then I'm thinking I'm gonna make this my little goals section. So I'm gonna grab this sticker right here and I'm gonna stick that here below and then put a little arrow sticker. I think that'll be really cute because I know there's some on here. Let's do this purple one. And then maybe I can fit this inside here. Yes, that's perfect. So I can write all my little goals for the month. And then over here, I was thinking of making this a to-do section for the things that I actually need to get done. So I'm gonna stick that right there. And I'm gonna put these little squares down for my to-dos. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put here yet, but it looks like I can fit 4 things. So I'll just put my top 4 to-dos for the month, and let's go back over here. Okay, I'm just gonna do some lettering in here. I think it would be fun to take the time to find the perfect quote, but I'm just fine with doing this. This is so much quicker. I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of time on this. And then for my goals, I want to finish my summer collection, which I actually already have. So I'm just gonna check that off. I want to see The Little Mermaid. So it's totally random and not work related, but that's okay. I think I want to put just all life stuff in this spread since my other one is strictly for social media. I want to film at least 2 plan with me's, and I want to do a giveaway. All right, and then I do have some to-dos that I need to put down over here. So there's a sampler that I have to design. I have to order some sticky notes. I need to design some washi and work on the next sub. Okay, now I'm gonna write in some important dates. So the first, our sub signups opened. So I think it would be cute to mark that with this little anchor sticker. And then we have new releases on the 9th and 23rd. $3 Thursday on the 15th. And then our sub signups close on or after the 10th. So I'm gonna mark that. Father's Day is the 18th. And then I'm gonna mark Juneteenth. And our subs ship on or around the 20th. So I'm gonna mark that. And I'm gonna put this little wheel down. And then we'll have $2 Tuesday on the 27th. I've got a couple diamonds left, so I'm just gonna stick them here just to highlight the new releases. All right, hang on a second. Okay, so the mild liners show up a little bit more on there, and I think I like that a little bit better. Just makes the month pop. All right, guys, so that's my completed spread using our June sticker subscription, and I wanted to show you guys how many stickers I still have left. So I've got date covers, a bunch of decorative swatches and boxes, and then some washi. So yeah, I feel like this could really go a long way, and you definitely don't have to use it for a monthly spread, but I've just really been enjoying doing monthly layouts. So I really wanted to show you guys how you can use our sub for that. And just to show you side by side, these are so cute. And I love how they match, but I can use them for different purposes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.